The 7 best foldable phones. Does Samsung still lead the pack? What is the best foldable phone? We analyzed the processor, display, RAM, cameras, and battery life to determine our top pick as well as 6 other honorable mentions. Decades ago, when mobile phones started appearing in the hands of average consumers, a dominant form factor was the flip phone. It was handy to close your phone to end a call and also shut the display to protect the screen when you threw your phone in your pocket or bag. We've seen technology advance so far that devices we used to see in science fiction movies are now available for everyday use by all consumers. Foldable displays are an engineering marvel, and while Royole was first out of the gate with the Flex Pi in late 2018, Samsung has been the dominant player in foldable phones. LG demonstrated its foldable display technology, but with its recent exit from the smartphone sector, we can only imagine what might have been. TCL recently showed its foldable and rollable device, which looks to be a productivity workhorse of the future. While the future looks flexible and use cases for foldable phones are still being developed, let's look at the best foldable phones that are available now. Before continue, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know I stand on setting goals, and my first goal for YouTube is 2,500 subscribers. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment with your name, and I will personally recognize each and every one of you in a video. So let's start. Number 7 is Royole Flex Pi 2. Best phone from the world's first foldable brand. Royole was the first company to launch a foldable smartphone, ahead of Samsung or Huawei, but stuck to the Chinese market, making its first handset almost unknown abroad. The Royole Flex Pi 2 has a better hinge, a bigger screen, and a lower price. Snapdragon 865, UFS 3.0 storage, and LPDDR5 RAM were known. Now, the offered capacities are 8,256 of a gigabyte and 12,512 of a gigabyte. Royole's screen is better. The Flex Pi 2 has an outward folding panel that becomes a dual-screen phone at 180 degrees. Cicada Wing 3S is mirror smooth after 1.8 million folds. 7.8 inches unfolded 4:3 panel with 1440p resolution. When folded, the front screen is 5.5 inches, 16:9, and the back is 5.4 inches, 16:10. There are also 4 cameras on the left. 16MP ultra-wide-angle camera with 116-degree FOV, 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and 64MP main shooter with f/1.9 aperture, 6P lens, and 1.72 sensor. Fourth camera is 32MP selfie lens. The phone supports 5G on SA and NSA networks, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and has a USB-C 3.1 connection for the 4,450 mAh battery with QC 4.0 fast charging at 18W. Number 6 is Motorola Razr 2020. Best second-generation foldable phone iconic design. Motorola is up for the Razr 2020, the new variant of the folding smartphone that was launched last year. The new leaks about the smartphone have been surfaced reveals a lot about the coming Motorola Razr 2020. The handset will feature outstanding specs. It will be powered by a Snapdragon 765G SoC which supports 5G connectivity. It means that the new Motorola's Razr 2020 provides its user with high-end connectivity support. The chipset of the phone is paired with 6GB of RAM capacity to make the new smartphone Motorola Razr 2020 a powerful one. The internal storage capacity of the phone is 256GB. The handset will be coming with a 6.2-inch FlexView P OLED flexible display to give full HD+ resolution. The Razr 2020 by Motorola is expected to give option for increasing the storage capacity of the handset as there will be no support for the micro SD card. On the rear of the Motorola 2020, there is a single camera setup that will be 48 megapixels, which is way far better than the camera setup that was used in the 2019 version. The selfie shooter of the coming Motorola Razrs 2020 is also improved, which is now 20 megapixels. This shows that the company wants the handset to a selfie king as compared to the previous variant. The new smartphone of the company Motorola Razr 2020 features a massive battery that offers 2,845 mAh capacity, which was just 2,800 mAh battery on the Razr 4G. So, looking at the specs of the handset, it seems that Razer 2020 is a better choice to have. It is likely to have an in-display fingerprint reader that will protect the data on the smartphone. So, in the flooding brands, Samsung has got another competitor in the market. Number 5 is Huawei Mate X2. Best foldable Samsung alternative. Huawei yet again with another Mate X2 smartphone with an even better design and more improved hinge quality and a tougher display panel that could bear the frequent folding and unfolding. The Huawei Mate X2 is expected to be unveiled by the company this year, which means that we are still far enough from launching this gigantic smartphone. The Huawei's Mate X2, according to the new leaks, will carry the design as the Samsung Galaxy Fold does. The render also shows that it has 2 screens when folded. It means the phone screen of the coming Huawei Mate X2 is going to be full in size, and the other side, which will notifications and will be used for selfies, will be smaller in size. It is expected to be powered by Kirin 995G SoC. The Mate X2 by Huawei will produce excellent performance due to the high-end chipset. The chipset of the handset is paired with 8GB of RAM, and the internal storage of the handset is also massive. The coming Huawei X2 will be packing 512GB internal storage that ensures enough space to place huge files on the smartphone. Let's talk about the screen of the new gigantic smartphone Huawei Mate X2. The screen in the folded shape will be like a smartphone, not like a tablet. This quality will reduce the size of the smartphone to somewhere around 8.01 inches. The battery of the Huawei Mate X2 is expected to be 4,500 mAh. This is enough power that will keep the handset on for a maximum time. It will carry support for fast battery charging 55 watts. The Mate X2s will run the best available operating system for smartphones in the market. This is the high-end smartphone of the company. Number 4 is Samsung Z Flip 5 grams. Best flip phone for even less. Samsung with another smartphone called Galaxy Z that has got a moniker Flip at the end. The smartphone was named Galaxy Bloom, but it is confirmed that it was the code of the smartphone. The design of the new smartphone Samsung Galaxy Z Flip is outstanding. The leaked information about the new handset confirms that it will come equipped with a large display screen of 6.7 inch, which shows the display screen of Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip and the Motorola Razr, which is 6.7 inches. The design is stunning along with the specs that are quite impressive. The upcoming device is equipped with a punch-hole display Infinity O display. The punch-hole display screen of the Samsung Galaxy Z is having a 10 megapixels front-facing camera that will assist the user with taking selfies and making video calls. On the rear of the phone, there is a dual camera setup. The main sensor of the Galaxy Z Flip by Samsung of the camera setup will be 12 megapixels. The secondary sensor is going to 5 megapixels. The handset will be powered by one of the latest chipsets available for the smartphone that will keep the Samsung Z Flip on toes regarding performance. The RAM of the device is also a gigantic one. The Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset and the 8GB of RAM will enhance the processing speed of the handset. The new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip has got massive internal storage of 256GB capacity. This is enough storage to keep a huge amount of data for future use. The phone is running on the latest operating system Android 10. The Galaxy Z Flip is fueled with powerful battery. Either it would come with a 3,400 mAh battery capacity or 3,300 mAh battery capacity. Number 3 is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Best Z Fold 3 alternative. Samsung will soon launch a Galaxy Z smartphone, which will be the Flip 2. Last year was the revival of the Flip smartphones led by the manufacturers. There was Huawei Mate X and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Now the company is working on another Flip smartphone to unveil it, and that could be the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 2. The smartphone will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888 chipset. The chipset of the smartphone is also a flagship chipset that can all the high-end specs with accuracy and ease. The new Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 2 has a 3.09 GHz octa-core processor to give more power to this chipset. The device has a 6.7 inches massive screen size. The users of this device will be enjoying using it. The Samsung Galaxy Z is going to have a foldable dynamic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, with a full HD resolution of 1080 by 2636 pixels under the hood of the new handset. The protection of the screen is not confirmed yet. The RAM that is coupled with the SoC is 8 GB. This is the high-end RAM capacity that is used in the Galaxy Z Flip 2 by Samsung. Both the chipset and the RAM will enhance the processing speed of the handset a great deal. The internal storage is 256GB, that is enough to store the data on the Samsung Z Flip 2 for the rest of your life. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 2 is a single camera, and that is 10 megapixels, which will change your lifestyle. The side-mounted fingerprint reader of the handset is there to protect it from any unauthorized person. And the Galaxy Z Flip 2 will run this device with Android 11 OS. The battery of the new Z Flip 2 will be somewhere around 4000 mAh. This is enough power for this smartphone, and there is fast battery charging, wireless charging. Number 2 is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Best budget-friendly foldable phone. Samsung will launch a new Galaxy Z that has got a moniker Flip 3 at the end. Samsung will introduce the Galaxy S21 flagship series. The series has 3 defiant models. This smartphone series will be the best phone until Samsung's new Flip smartphone arrived. The company is working on a new foldable smartphone which will be called the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. The smartphone will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 888 chipset. The chipset of the smartphone is also a flagship chipset that can all the high-end specs with accuracy and ease. The new Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 3 has a 3.09 GHz octa-core processor to give more power to this chipset. The device has a 6.7 inches massive screen size. The users of this device will be enjoying using it. Also, there is a GPU of Adreno 660. The Samsung Galaxy Z is going to have a foldable dynamic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, with a full HD resolution of 1080 by 2636 pixels under the hood of the new handset. The protection of the screen is not confirmed yet. The RAM that is coupled with the SoC is 8GB. This is the high-end RAM capacity that is used in the Galaxy Z Flip 3 by Samsung. Both the chipset and the RAM will enhance the processing speed of the handset a great deal. The internal storage is 256GB, that is enough to store the data on the Samsung Z Flip 3 for the rest of your life. There is a dual camera setup in the back of this handset. The main sensor will be 12 megapixels wide, 12 megapixels ultra-wide. The selfie shooter of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is a single camera, and that is 10 megapixels, which will change your lifestyle. The side-mounted fingerprint reader of the handset is there to protect it from any unauthorized person. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 will run this device with Android 11 OS. The battery of the new Z Flip 3 will be somewhere around 4000 mAh. This is enough power for this smartphone, and there is fast battery charging, wireless charging. Number 1 is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Best foldable phone overall. Samsung is launching a new Galaxy Z that has got the moniker Fold 3 at the end. The company has been experimenting with the folding form factor for over a year now. The first Galaxy Fold was a proof of concept more than anything, but the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 added more polish to it, tweaked the design, and made the original Fold into something practical, not just a gimmicky party trick. The third generation of this smartphone series is in the works, and the rumor mill has already leaked us a core feature of the device, a pop-out keyboard housed inside the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. This new folding handset will be empowered by one of the latest chipsets available for the smartphones in the market that is called Snapdragon 888 5G, 5 nanometers. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 3 has got a powerful processor of 3.09 GHz octa-core, which will boost up this chipset and generate more power. This is the chipset that carries flagship capability among all the chipsets and will enhance the performance of the coming smartphone. Samsung Galaxy Z is having a 7.6 inches massive screen size. The users of this device will be enjoying using it. There is a foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X capacitive touchscreen, with a full HD resolution of 1536 by 2208 pixels. There is a massive RAM capacity in this new Galaxy Z Fold 3 by Samsung of 12GB, that is something extraordinary. The internal storage capacity of the coming smartphone is 256GB, that are a huge amount of built-in storage that will provide the user with enough space to place its data on the device for future use. The coming smartphone Samsung Z Fold 3 is equipped with a triple camera setup at the rear. The main sensor will be 12 megapixels. The remaining lenses are yet to confirm. The front-facing camera of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is 10 MP plus 4 MP. If we talk about the battery of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, so that is also a massive one, and it will offer 4,400 mAh capacity, which is more than enough for your daily use. In Z Fold 3 there is a fast battery charging of 25 watts, fast wireless charging of 10 watts. So, I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, left your valuable comment, subscribe to the AA Scripts channel, and press the bell icon to never miss an update from us.